Do you ever see a kid coming down the hall or coming into your classroom or getting off the bus and you go, that kid? Everybody has that kid. This poor kid sometimes can't get out of their own way because he or she is that kid. And you know what? When things are going down or there's a problem in the hallway, yeah, that kid's usually there. I remember one time when I was teaching in high school and I had a kid walk up to me and he goes, Miss Bath. And I said, yes. And he goes, I know that you don't like me. And I was like, I mean, if that's ever happened to you, it's a tough one to hear. And I sat there for a second and in my head I said, oh my God, he's right. I didn't like him because he was that kid. And then, but it really made me think about how do I change my lens and stop seeing the behavior and start seeing the kid? And so I want to challenge you throughout this school year that when you do come across that kid, and maybe it's true, maybe they're just hard to like. You love them all, but sometimes some of them can make it hard to like them. So it's up to us now to say, how am I going to challenge that every day? How am I going to change my lens and see that kid just a little differently? It's hard. It was hard for me. It took me a good part of that year to start to change my lens on this kid. But once we sat down and had some conversations, and I learned that there were other sides to this kid that I just hadn't given a chance yet. So, hey, when you see that kid, just shift your lens a little bit.